So I want to show y'all one of the many reasons why credit repair has a very bad name. If somebody's been in business supposedly for 13 years and they don't know that LexisNexis is one company and it's not called Lexis and Nexis, that's a red flag. But the other thing is they show you these results and they're from CRC, so we know they're inaccurate. But the other thing is, if you'll look in this next clip at Equifax, it shows 0. So when it shows 10 items were deleted, it's because the 10 items that we're reporting on Equifax aren't showing in the software. Don't fall for this stuff. Just check this clip out.
So if you don't want to learn the hard way and end up with perhaps 10 negative items removed off your credit report, like we did for Brandon that hired another company for thousands of dollars and saw nothing in return, or the other client that you saw, which contacted me 3 years ago originally and then contacted me 3 years later, then you might want to give us a call and give us a shot.
So as you can see, these scammers will fool you with their software. Now, even my software is off sometimes, but anytime that a bureau is not reporting how many ever negative accounts are on that bureau, the software by default is going to say it was deleted. But don't fall for this. Nothing was deleted. It just, since it's not reporting, it looks like it was deleted. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.